Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize online courses with GoSkills, quick tutorial step by step clearly. First, log into your GoSkills account. Navigate to the dashboard where your courses are listed. Choose the course you want to optimize. Click on the Edit Course button. Review the course structure to ensure it aligns with your learning objectives. Update the course title to make it more engaging and relevant. Next, enhance your course description. Be clear about what learners will gain from the course. Add keywords that are commonly searched. Now, focus on the course content. Break down the material into manageable modules. Incorporate various types of media, such as videos, quizzes, and interactive elements. Make sure each module includes a clear learning outcome. Check the pacing of your content. Avoid overwhelming students with too much information at once. Next, incorporate assessments and feedback. Create quizzes after each module to reinforce learning. Provide constructive feedback to enhance student understanding. Now, consider your course visuals. Use high-quality images and graphics to enrich the content. Ensure that your slide designs are consistent and professional. Check all multimedia elements for proper functionality. Once the content is optimized, review your course layout. Ensure a logical flow from one topic to the next. Use headings and subheadings to guide learners through the material. Finally, publish your optimized course. Promote it on social media and relevant forums to reach a wider audience. Monitor student feedback and engagement. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.